Here is the third question on the unit assessment. They want to calculate the length of this line between the point 23 and 98. Well, this is a Pythagoras question if I make this a right angle here. So it wants to work out, in this case, the long side in a right angle triangle. First I need to work out the length of both my short sides. So the one along the bottom is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 long. And the one that goes up is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I have a 7 and a 5 as my short sides. So write out Pythagoras. It's a long side I need to work out, so it's an adding Pythagoras. Substitute in my numbers, so I'm going to call cx squared is equal to 5 squared plus 7 squared. Now I need to square my numbers, so 5 times 5 is 25, plus 7 times 7 is 49. I now add the numbers together, so 49 plus 25 is 74. Lastly, I need to square root our number, because that was x squared is equal to 74, so x is equal to square root of 74, and if I put that into my calculator, x is equal to 8.6 to 1 decimal place.